Local Alpha News.
Real news for real world.
The Delhi government has issued an advisory to schools for conducting civil defense awareness and preparedness programs tomorrow. Delhi government in its advisory said that these programs aim at educating students and staff about safety protocols during civil emergencies such as air raids, sabotage threats, or any hostile situations. Our correspondent reports that in the national capital, mega mock drills will be organized at schools, colleges, hospitals, metro stations, IGI airport and public places located in various districts. Nagaland is set to join the countrywide civil defense mock drill scheduled for tomorrow. According to the State Home Department, the exercise will be carried out under the code name Operation Abhyas across 10 designated civil defense districts: Dimapur, Kohima, Mokokchung, Vokha, Junheboto, Mau, Phek, Tuensang, Kifire and Paran. It is scheduled to begin at 4 p.m. The mock drill will simulate various emergency situations, including incoming air raids, activation of sirens, and blackout measures. Kerala. As per direction of Union Home Ministry, civil defense mock drills will be conducted across all districts in Kerala. The drills are scheduled to begin at 4 p.m. Preparations for the exercise were reviewed in a meeting led by Chief Secretary A. Jaithula. The Chief Secretary urged the public to cooperate with the mock drill activities. West Bengal. In West Bengal, mock drill will be conducted in 31 places including Greater Kolkata on Wednesday. This mock drill will involve civil defense, students and civilians. Preparations are in place to hold the civil defense mock drill that will take place across 16 cities in Maharashtra tomorrow. These cities include highly sensitive places like Mumbai, Tarapur and Uran, followed by Thane, Pune, Nashik, Pimpri Chinchwad, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, Raigad, Ratnagiri, and Sindhudurg among others. The drill will be conducted up to the village level and involve civil defense volunteers, home guards, NCC, NSS, NYKS, as well as college and school students. The key objectives of the mock drill include testing air raid warning systems, functionality of control rooms, emergency communication with the Indian Air Force, evacuation plans, and crash blackout measures. Ahead of tomorrow's mock drill, a rehearsal for the same was conducted at Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus by the Central Railway. The RPF team, with sniffer dogs and other gadgets and equipment, conducted the rehearsal. Meanwhile, the Mumbai University has assured students that the drill will not interfere with the conduct of its scheduled exams. Uttar Pradesh. In Uttar Pradesh, District Bulandshahr has been identified under Category A. Baghpat and Muzaffarnagar will perform the drill under Category C. Agra, Allahabad, Bareilly, Ghaziabad, Gorakhpur, Jhansi, Kanpur, Lucknow, Mathura, Meerut, Moradabad, Saharanpur, Varanasi, Bakshi Katalab, Mughalsarai, and Sarsawa have been included in the list of Category B. Uttar Pradesh Director General of Police, Prashant Kumar, said that although centers have identified 19 districts for the defense mock drills, a comprehensive rehearsal will be conducted in all districts of Uttar Pradesh on 7th May. The exercise will involve multiple agencies like police, fire services, and disaster response teams. The drill aims to check response preparedness to respond to emergencies and disasters. Bihar. In Bihar, the civil defense mock drill will take place in 6 districts, namely Patna, Purne, Katihar, Kishanganj, Araria and Begusarai. Patna District Magistrate Dr. Chandra Shekhar Singh informed that the exercise will be conducted tomorrow from 7 p.m. to 7:10 p.m. at 80 locations in Patna. He said a complete blackout will be observed and all measures will be adopted during the 10-minute mock drill, as it is an exercise to be prepared for a war-like situation.
कोई बिल्डिंग पर आदमी फंस जाता है, सामान नहीं है, कोई रस्सी हो, जुगाड़ से उस तरह बनाकर व्यक्ति को सुरक्षित नीचे उतारा जाए।
इसके अलावा और क्या क्या जानकारी दी गई?
इसके अलावा
Focal Alpha News.
Real news for real world.